Have you ever wanted more pleasure in your life? You're in the right space. It's Rachel. I've been coaching for 10 years. Intimacy is my forefront, and that's why we've been doing this series about incorporating pleasure into your everyday life for yourself and also with a partner. This month is really special because what I'm doing this month is things your woman wants me to tell you, okay? We are keeping an open heart and open mind as we listen to this series because it's not about criticism. It's just about things that typically women don't know how to articulate, or they say they've been telling you all along, but you're not hearing. And by the way, that's not to say that these women are wrong. Like, it's not like this, oh, I am telling him, but he's not hearing me and I didn't really say anything. I find that when women are vocalizing their needs, it's then being listened to through a filter with men. Okay. It's not that you're doing it necessarily intentionally. It's not that you're trying to hurt or avoid. It's that when you hear the thing that your wife, your partner, whomever is saying, I need this to happen, it then goes through your head as a filter and not necessarily reaping the benefit of understanding, oh, she's asking me for help. It's that she said she just needs to do something. Okay. So that's where I'm coming from on this. And what we want to talk about today is understanding desire. Okay. Not even necessarily about intimacy. Here's what I want to tell you. When people come into the consultation room, I do an in-home party experience, and then people come in and talk to me about potential products, but most importantly about what's going on in their intimate world. I need you to hear me when I tell you that it does not matter what you, your partner, anybody on planet Earth is talking about that they want in their life. It's all going to take the same damn thing. So when we understand what it takes to make change or get what we're looking for in our life, we can start working towards it a little bit more intentionally. So as a joke, I usually say when ladies come into the consultation room, they're like, Rachel, I need a bigger house and a bigger bank account and a bigger penis in my life. And I'm like, you don't need any of those things. You think you do, but you don't. But what you're really looking for, by the way, that common denominator amongst everything humans desire, whether it is related to intimacy or not, it's going to take energy. We are energy beings anyway, but that's what it's going to take. Is it not? Is it going to take energy to hustle to have a big fat bank account? Will it take energy to hustle to maintain a house of that size? Will it take energy to be fully present for a partner after an incredibly long day and then receive reciprocal respect from that partner as well? Chef's kiss, right? So it's all about energy. And when we really look at it, it starts to make sense, especially then for your feminine being, okay? Your partner is struggle busting. I know that you work a hard job, sir. I know that you are a provider, sir, but she has been extending herself emotionally, physically, and spiritually. So she typically is more exhausted than you're probably giving her credit for. All right. And especially when we talk about energy, she's been pouring from her glass until it is empty. She's been conditioned to do so. And I think that you know that. And when you come home and you start rubbing her back and you're like, but I'm not your kids, you're still trying to take from her before you've tried to fill her cup. Okay, not all of you do this, and most of you don't even recognize that you're doing it. So I understand that the intention is not negative, but just hear my heart when I tell you that your partner will be better, stronger, last a little bit longer. All of the things that you're looking for if you just intentionally sit down first and say, how was your day, and how can I make it easier? Or even starting that would be way better. I gotta go. I'm at the 3-minute mark, but I hope this was helpful. See you tomorrow. Thanks for being here. I love your face. Bye-bye.